With Pelican open source software, you can define the slot of your electrical machine either with predefined templates or by importing a user-defined geometry from a DXF file. This tutorial will show you how to import the slot from Toyota Prius machine. First, let's open Pelican Machine Definition GUI. Then, let's load the Toyota Prius machine. In the Starter Slot step, in the Schematic selector, you can select Import from DXF. You can select your DXF file here. In Pelican, everything is in meter, but we can set a scaling factor to use a DXF file in millimeter. The DXF file can be as complex as you want, with or without symmetry. You only need to select a single slot. Once the file is loaded, you can zoom in or zoom out of the figure by using your mouse wheel. To design your slot, you need to select, by clicking on it, several lines that go from the bore radius to the bore radius. The selection order doesn't matter. If you select a line you don't intend to, you can click on it again to deselect it. Once the selection is complete, you can click on Plot to check your definition. The final step is the winding definition. You need to add the closing line of the winding by selecting 2 points, starting from the first point with index 0, and in trigonometry order we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the closing line is a segment from index 1 to 7, and you can click on it on Plot again to check your definition. The winding is the red area. Once the definition is complete, you can click on Save to generate your slot. The slot is now available in Pelican GUI, and you can interact with it as any other slot by changing the number of slots, and the main outputs are computed and available as well.